Hope you have a great day. In this tutorial, you can learn how to design this 4-step infographic presentation slide in PowerPoint. Keys that I'm using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I'm going to give it some different color. Go to insert and take this hollow shape and drag it by holding Shift Alt like this. Take this anchor point and make it a little bit thinner. Okay, align center and align middle. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, white fill. Okay, go to insert and take this rounded rectangle by holding Shift Alt and drag a rounded rectangle in square like this. And rotate through this handle by holding Shift and place it here at the center. Okay, align center and align middle. Okay, Control D to duplicate it. Oh, sorry, let me give it a white color and shape outline, give it some gray color, and I am going to make its width to 3. Okay, let me Control D to duplicate it and place it here like this. Okay, shape outline, white outline. Select all 3 shapes and I'm going to give it some shadow effect, this one, and transparency will be round about 75. 103 size, and I'm going to make it blur, and I'm increasing the transparency to 80. Okay, I'm going to give it some gradient color. Go to gradient fill, and I need only 2 stops. I'm going to delete extra stops, and through this spin I'm going to give it some gradient, and I'm going to perfect the direction. Let me choose the direction from this side, from left to right. Yes, this is okay. Select this one and again give it recent color. Go to more color and make it little bit light, that the gradient become visible. Okay, it's perfect. Now Control D to duplicate it. Let me select and Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Again Control D to duplicate it and place it here. And Control D to duplicate it and place it here on the 4th side. Let me change these gradient colors, and through the eyedropper pick these color one by one, and again recent color, go to more color and make it light, that the gradient become visible. Likewise with the 3rd one shape, through the eyedropper pick this color, select this stop and recent color, again go to more color and make it little bit light. Pick the eyedropper and select the 4th one color, and you can choose these color according to your logo and according to your company colors, and you can also download these colors and pick these colors from Google. These color palettes are available. I'm going to bring the middle one, bring to print the middle one, yes, and by holding Shift Alt, and I'm going to make it little bit bigger in size. align center and align middle. It's okay. Let me take the text box and your infographic. Any text that the headline text goes in the center, you can type here. And now I'm going at the end to change its fonts to a better fonts that it gives a premium look. I think Montserrat will be okay. And select center and bring it to the center, and I am going to make its size at 24. It's okay, and make it bold. Let me bring some text that I have typed in a previous design and place it here. Control C, and I'm going to place the text here and make it color white. Control D to duplicate it and place over the next shape. And you can increase or decrease these shapes according to your requirements. Okay. And when you increase these shapes, you must put these shapes in any angles that it give a premium look. In the icon bar, you can find your desired icon here. Just type your text in the search icon bar and you will find your desired icon. I need only 4 icons, so I'm going to bring it to the slide I'm going to place it here to make it a group ungroup, to convert these icons from SVG to shapefill. So I'm going to all these icons convert from SVG to shapefill one by one. Again, Control G to group it. Select this one, group, ungroup, and Control G to group it. Okay, group, ungroup, yes, Control G to group it. Now select all these icons and shape fill, no fill. Shape outline, make it white. And I'm going to make its width to, I think so, it's okay. Let me check it and place it over here, how it looks like. So it gives a premium look. Okay, it gives a premium look. So I'm going to put these icons one by one over these shapes. Okay, I'm going to fix these rectangles one by all and bring it to front and place it here at the center under the text, under the headline, like this. Okay, and I am going to align it at the bottom or at the top and also distribute horizontally. And thank you for watching. Thank you.